In this video, we are going to talk about 4 ways to make money fast, Andrew Tate. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Andrew Tate net worth is reported to be $360 million in 2022. He has made a fortune for himself over the years, and he is only 35 years old. What businesses does Andrew Tate do? This is a big question to ask to know whether he is actually lying about his income or he is truly making a lot of money for himself. Andrew Tate owns a lot of businesses. How Andrew Tate invests. Andrew Tate is a successful and innovative investor with tremendous business acumen. His TV ad business, webcam agency, and casinos in Romania are all viable parts of his portfolio. Additionally, Andrew has taken advantage of digital media opportunities, selling online courses, managing an on-license business, and providing commentary for the Romanian M&A organization. He's also enjoyed the support of close friends Adin Ross and Paul Randall. Startups. Tate and his brother Tristan Tate then opened a webcam modeling business which made over $500,000 per month in profit. They're also stakeholders in 15 Romanian casinos that generate $1 million in monthly. Finally, Tate owns the private network The War Room, which has 4,000 members and generates over $18 million a month from the $4,500 fee. Cryptocurrency. He's a full-fledged Bitcoin bull who is known for turning a modest $600,000 investment into $12 million. Together with Tristan Tate, they were able to amass a total of 21 Bitcoins. But the Bitcoin accumulation doesn't end there. Andrew also sold his own NFT collection called the Top G Exclusive. The Tate brothers own a hardware wallet containing 5 Bitcoins that belong to Andrew and another wallet containing around 16 Bitcoins that belong to Tristan. Andrew Tate is an advocate for crypto and a total Bitcoin believer, recently observing on Anthony Pompliano's Bitcoin podcast that you can actually control and own your money with Bitcoin. Luxury cars. Andrew Tate indulges his passion for luxury cars with a collection that few can rival. Andrew Tate's car collection is estimated to be worth over $8 million and include a custom copper Bugatti Chiron per Sport for $5.2 million, 2 Ferrari 812 competitions for $1.2 million each. Car investments go, it's pretty clear that they can offer a great return. For those interested in diversifying their investments beyond luxury assets, Composer provides smart algorithms and automated trading to help create and manage a well-rounded portfolio. Not only do luxury cars offer enhanced performance capabilities, technological integrations, and cabin comforts, but driving them is also fun and rewarding. Likewise, investing in high-quality artworks, such as Banksy's works available through Masterworks, may bring significant returns to those who appreciate the finer things in life. The different business model that Andrew Tate teaches inside the Hustlers University. In the Hustlers University, Andrew Tate teaches how to make money online with various online businesses. Affiliate marketing. This is the art of promoting other people's products to earn a commission. The commission that you earn will depend on the platform, the vendor, and the product that you are promoting. Actually, Andrew Tate has an affiliate program for his course at Hustlers University. He pays out 50% for a successful sale that you make. So there are many products that you can promote as an affiliate, like digital products, physical products, etc. He teaches how to start an affiliate marketing business extensively in the course. Drop shipping. He also teaches drop shipping. Actually, this business model started blowing up around 2015, and so many teenagers made a fortune from dropshipping, and a lot of people are still making money from it. This is a business that sells products by shipping directly from the manufacturer to the customers with you as the middleman. You will take your profit from it, but you are the one that will create the store/website and send traffic to it. Andrew Tate also teaches drop shipping in his course. Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is very similar to drop shipping, but this time around you have to buy in bulk and send it to the Amazon warehouse. It is actually called FBA because it stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This means you will buy the products for very cheap from a supplier in China, and you will ship it directly to Amazon, and Amazon will do the sorting, packaging, and shipping. All you have to do is to create your listing on the Amazon website and start selling. Andrew Tate also teaches this in his course. He actually teaches other business models in the Hustlers University, but this is the major business model that he teaches. The Hustlers University has contributed majorly to his net worth. How did he do it? He created an affiliate program in his course that will pay a 50% commission on every sale any of his students make with the Hustlers University course. He then taught his students how to promote the course and make commissions using viral organic content. He created and still creates tons of videos from his podcast that he does almost every day, and he made the videos into plenty of seconds of video. The affiliates can also edit the videos themselves. Then these students will create a TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and any other social media account, and they start posting these short videos and putting their links in the bio or in the description of their channel. Not before long, videos of Andrew started going viral all over the internet, till he became the number Googled man on Earth. This idea will form a circle, which we call a pyramid scheme. Each new student also repeats the same process to generate sales and earn commissions online. So, when next you see a video of Andrew Tate, know that he does not have a social media account, but he has his videos popping up all over the internet, and these videos usually get a lot of views, most times in the millions. This way he has been able to generate consistent sales on his course, which is the Hustlers University. All these income streams have earned Andrew Tate such a huge net worth. In a video on YouTube, Andrew mentioned that the $360 million is not really accurate about his net worth, although he said it is very close. How much does Andrew Tate make annually? With the different business model that Andrew Tate has, he is making over $40 million annually with his businesses. There is a quote he always says, which is that making money is very easy. He said the internet is so powerful that you can start a business online and make a lot of money for yourself today. He gave an example in one of his videos where he created a drop shipping website for packaged cakes. He said he started the side hustle 6 months ago, and he is getting the cake for about 20 cents, and he said he is selling the cake for over $10, and he keeps the profit. All he just had to do was to create the website and promote the cake so that people can start buying the cake. The quote of making money is very easy is actually true, because I also make money online myself, and I know what it takes to make money online. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.